Enjoying a new and nearly $80,000 renovation, this fully furnished gem is a masterpiece of modern living. Revel and travertine tile flooring throughout, as well as marble counters, marble backsplash, and cherrywood cabinets in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances and an extended kitchen bar provide added style and convenience. The master suite features a lavish tumbled marble bath with granite counters and a beautiful vessel sink, while the guest bath exudes elegance with its marble shower and counters. This charming property includes a separate laundry space complete with a full-sized front-load washer and dryer, complemented by granite counters and storage cabinets above. Plus, soak up the warmth and ambience of your very own cozy fireplace while appreciating the modern and efficient chem lighting throughout. Enjoy peace of mind and peace and quiet provided by the hurricane impact sliders and windows. With partial water views from inside and a screened balcony, you'll savor every moment in this serene oasis. The building is also undergoing a makeover with light French gray and extra white color paints, enhancing its modern appeal. More exciting upgrades await outside, with dock rebuilds approved and set to start in May 2024, courtesy of Williamson Brothers. And with 26 community boat slips accommodating up to a 30-foot boat each, boat land storage, and a heated pool and spa, the Florida lifestyle couldn't be more enticing. Located in the esteemed Palm Beach Landings community, just a few of many nearby attractions include Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island, Cape Coral, and the Edison and Ford Winter Estates. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the proximity to Boston Red Sox and Minnesota Twins spring training stadiums, while shopping, dining, and entertainment options await in downtown Fort Myers, all just a short walk or free seasonal trolley ride away. Plus, with easy access to Southwest Florida International Airport and Punta Gorda Airport, your adventures are never far away. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the best of Florida living. Schedule your showing today. Additional amenities include a dog walk area,